What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping to the next one on our Waylon journey. Waylon doing a little Willie, and I'm all about it. Blue Eyes, Crying in the Rain, coming at us from Annie. I definitely appreciate you for the request. Most certainly a song that I've heard Willie do quite a few times. Let's jump in. Let's check it out together, see what we got. Let's roll. If you guys enjoy it, get over show DWDD, all the love in the world.
In the twilight glow, I see her. Blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again.
Hey, I know this song breaks some people's heart out there, so my heart is with you. I definitely, if it's hitting you in the feels the wrong way, you know what I mean, nothing by it. Most certainly I'll have someone that we can remember around, that we could, music touches us all differently. Reminds us of different people, different times, different memories. Like that's the biggest piece of it for me, is that it reminds me of so much. Different songs for every single occasion, different, and this is going to be some of those occasions that people miss. Like
Love is like a dying ember.
Waylon is meant to be in America.
Memories remain, and through the ages I remember blue eyes crying in the rain.
He even says yonder the right way.
We'll stroll hand in hand again in a land that knows no parting. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Crying in the rain.
Hey, you can't hate him. You can't. It's impossible when you're talking about the talent. It's most certainly there. Absolutely a pleasure and a joy to watch anything of Waylon. You guys already know how I feel about the man. I think he's beyond talented, and I really did and do still want to steal him. Get over, show DWDD, all the love in the world. Go show Waylon music, all the love in the world as well. Smash the like button if you liked it, the dislike button, but there's something wrong with your ears. Until the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe, love you to the moon and back. Peace.